Today is May 4th. This is the 1970 Cadillac DeVille convertible power vacuum servo for the air conditioning system climate control system. This particular unit is vacuum operated and it's going to my friend Steve Simmons in Virginia. I'm going to do a functional validation test showing how the unit works under vacuum. I've got a hand pump here and I'll go ahead and apply the vacuum, and as I do so we'll see the tail section retract and it's that retraction of the tail section that actuates and opens the vacuum, the air distribution box mounted on the firewall. So I'll go ahead and pump the vacuum, and as we do so, we see the tail moving back, retracting into the unit. Yep, and here's the vacuum pressure being held constant. Okay, and then I'll go ahead and I'll release the vacuum and the unit goes back. So we'll go ahead and do one more test showing it being retracted and released. And that's the 1970 Cadillac DeVille convertible, totally rebuilt and restored vacuum power servo for my friend Steve in Virginia. Thank you very kindly. Today is Friday, April 4th. This is George in Florida. I have over 25,000 parts for the 1967 to 1970 Cadillac. Thank you.